My name is Martiz. I am the owner of Lash Boulevard and creator of Lash Like a Pro online training course. Today we're going to talk about the difference between classic and volume eyelash extensions. First, let me tell you about classic lashes. Classic lashes are great for those clients who want to have a look that is more natural, something more like they have mascara on. You can accomplish a very natural look by lashing at least 80 to 95% of those natural lashes. When applying classic eyelash extensions, you want to apply one by one on your client's natural lashes. You don't want to apply multiple classic lashes on one of your client's natural lash because they can be too heavy, and this can be damaging to the natural lash. You never want to go anything longer than 3 millimeters of their natural lash. And when applying the classic lashes, make sure that the base is fully attached to the natural lash. By doing this, you will accomplish a better retention. When using classic eyelash extensions, I highly recommend you go for a classic lash that has more of a matte finish. You don't want your classic lashes to look too shiny or almost like they're made out of plastic. If your client has naturally full lashes, classic lashes could be a perfect fit for them. Now I'm going to tell you about volume. Volume lashes are extra thin lashes. They're extremely soft and flexible. They almost look like feathers. With volume lashes, you can apply multiple lashes per natural lash. Anything between 3 lashes all the way up to 10 lashes. By giving only 3D, you will accomplish a look that is very natural. By giving them more lashes, you will achieve a look that is fuller and more dense, giving your client a more dramatic look. It all depends what your client wants. With volume lashes, the application can be a little bit more complicated because you're customizing each volume fan as you are applying the extensions to your client's natural lashes. Creating those volume fans perfectly is very important for the process, and it's what is going to make you a successful lash artist in volume. High quality volume lashes are usually very soft and very easy to fan. When applying volume lashes, it's very important to take in consideration your client's natural lashes thickness and strength. Based on that, you can make recommendations on how many volume lashes you want to apply per natural lash. On a thicker lash, you can apply anything up to 10 lashes per lash. Remember, the more volume lashes you apply, the less in weight you want to use. Volume lashes can be found on anywhere from 0.03 in weight all the way to 0.10. The higher the number, the heavier the lash. So where you're applying a mega volume on your clients, remember to always start with the 0.03, which is the lightest weight. When not sure about what weight you want to give your clients, always play it safe. Give your clients no more than 3D or 4D, meaning 3 lashes or 4 lashes per natural lash. If eyelash extensions is the main service you want to pursue in your beauty career, I highly recommend that you get trained in both classic and volume lashes. This will allow you to give you more options to your clients and grow your clientele faster. At Lash Boulevard, we are an approved school by the Department of Education, and we offer live and online trainings where you can get your certification. Right now, for limited time, when you buy the large eyelash extensions kit, we're giving you our online training for eyelash extensions where you can become certified in classic, volume, and eyebrows absolutely free. By getting the right eyelash extensions training, you will set yourself apart as a lash artist. This will allow you to grow your business and become more successful in the industry. Check the description for more information. At Lash Boulevard, we want to empower you to be the best lash artist you can be. For more information about our products and trainings, visit lashboulevard.com. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and make sure to subscribe for more videos. Comment, let us know what you want to see next, and I will see you soon. Woo! Shake it up.